if you are new to FL Studio, I mean, you wanna know how you can actually use auto-tune on your vocals, don't worry, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can actually auto-tune your vocals perfectly. And by the end of today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can actually get a free version of the auto-tune plugin that I'm gonna use in today's video. If you are ready, let's do this right after the intro. Hey there, my name is Gosai and I'm a music producer. I take you through mixing of beats, mixing of vocals, mixing of anything that you know, all right? And also I'm a beat maker. Whatever that you need to know, video editing to mastering, mixing, I got you, all right? So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you subscribe to this channel, sometime you're gonna get free sample packs and other stuff. So make sure you join the community. If you are new here, turn on the bell notification. So without wasting much of your time, let's start. Okay, so we're gonna use this particular ad lib, and the BPM, as you can see, is 140. So you're going to change the BPM by clicking here, then click on 140 BPM. Next thing we need to do, if you want to auto tune any particular vocals or instrument, think of anything, you need to route it to the mixer track. So how do you do that? What you need to do is to double click on this and just head over to the track. As you drag it up, you're going to see the numbers increasing, and this particular number is the track that you are routing the particular vocals or instrument to. All right, so we're gonna route it to mixer track 4. Next, we're gonna close this and open the mixer track over here, view mixer, and this gonna open for you. All right, now let's play this particular ad lib without any auto tune. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do is to introduce our auto-tune, and today's video we're gonna use auto-tune artist. Okay, so this is auto-tune artist. Watch the video to the very end, because right after today's video I'm gonna show you how you can get a 14-day trial version of this particular auto-tune. Auto-tune artist, the free version. All right, so anytime you insert auto-tune on your vocals, first thing you need to pay attention to is the scale. All right, every beat, instrument, vocals has a specific scale. All right, getting your key perfect will even do half of the auto-tune process. All right, so the key for this particular ad lib is C sharp minor, so we're gonna change the scale to minor. All right, and the key is C sharp. Super simple. Next thing, after setting your scale, you need to pay attention to this particular beautiful knob here, and this is the routine speed. The more you crank the routine speed up, the more you are pitching or auto tuning your vocals. The more you're gonna feel that T-pain effect. All right, and when you push the routine speed all the way down like this, 400, you're gonna feel less auto tune. Super simple. So what I'm gonna do is to push this button all the way up whilst we are playing the ad lib. All right, so now let's listen to the ad lib whilst we push the routine speed all the way up. Alright, so you have heard the difference. The more you push the routine speed up, the more auto-tune you're gonna feel. So if the artist is not good, make sure you give it a little bit less auto-tune, because if you don't take care, you're gonna spoil everything. Alright, so make sure you get the correct vocals before the artist will leave your studio. Now, if you want to get natural vocal, then the best is to push the routine speed to 20% or 30%. all right, so now let's listen to this routine speed, which is 30%, and you can actually hear this sound natural. All right, so after paying attention to the routine speed over here, next knob that you need to pay attention if you want to auto tune your vocals, well, is the humanize knob. All right, so this humanize knob most of the time when we push the routine speed all the way up, we sound robotic, and we don't want that. So we want to add realism to our vocals. All right, so I'm gonna play the ad libs once again, and we're gonna exaggerate things here. Alright, and you can actually hear this sound more natural. Next, we're gonna move on to the flex tune. Okay, if you are feeling more robotic, then you need to add a little bit flex tune. Okay, so that you will express the normal pitch. All right, you can express pitch deviation usually for expressive purposes. Okay, so we're gonna exaggerate things once again. And now you can actually hear we are auto-tuning this particular vocal as well. Next, you need to pay attention to the input type, and if it's a female, just stick to the soprano. If it's a male, go for auto tenor or low male, and instrument or bass. All right, so play around any of these and you will be cool to go. All right, so if you have watched this particular video to this point, I promise to show you how you can actually get the free version of this auto-tune. But before then, let's talk about this transpose knobs over here. If you want to create unique vocals, you can actually play around with the transpose, the detune knobs over here. So we're gonna start with the transpose knob. So you don't do things crazy. All right, in mixing, less is the best. Let's try this. All right, you can also detune it. We're gonna set the transpose to 0. Okay, you can also detune it. Let's exaggerate things over here. That's pretty simple. If you are cool with that, then you can actually move on to the next stage of your mixing. Okay, so we're gonna reduce or reset everything back. And guys, so how do you get Auto-Tune Artist for free? Then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen so that you can actually download the free version of Auto-Tune. If this video helps you, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is Godside. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.